Hey everyone, welcome to this quick video on WSO2 API Manager. WSO2 API Manager is a powerful open-source platform that helps organizations manage, secure, and monetize their APIs. Think of it as the central hub for all your APIs. API Gateway, the backbone of your API infrastructure. It routes traffic efficiently, ensuring that requests are directed to the appropriate services. It enforces security protocols to protect your data and users. Additionally, it provides a comprehensive performance analytics dashboard to monitor and optimize the health of your APIs. Developer Portal, a self-service hub for developers. Here they can easily find, subscribe to, and test APIs. The portal provides detailed documentation, making it simple for developers to understand and integrate APIs into their application. It streamlines the development process, enhancing productivity and innovation. Robust security measures are in place, including OAuth and API keys to ensure secure access to your APIs. These measures protect against unauthorized access and potential threats, safeguarding your data and maintaining the integrity of your services. And more to keep your APIs safe. Analytics. Track usage patterns, identify network issues, and monitor system performance in real time. This helps in making informed decisions to optimize and enhance the overall performance of your APIs, and optimize your API performance. Monetization. Unlock the potential of your APIs by setting competitive pricing, managing subscriptions, and generating revenue. This platform provides the tools needed to turn your APIs into a profitable asset, driving business growth and innovation. Improve developer experience. Our platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for developers to use and integrate with. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer, our tools streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating innovative solutions. Enhanced security. Protect your APIs and your business with our robust security features. Our platform ensures that your data remains safe and secure, giving you peace of mind. From encryption to regular security updates, we prioritize your protection. Increased agility. Experience faster time to market for new APIs with our efficient deployment processes. Our platform allows you to quickly adapt to market changes and customer needs, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition. Business growth. Monetize APIs, improve customer experience, and drive innovation. Our platform not only helps you generate revenue, but also enhances customer satisfaction and fosters a culture of innovation within your organization. Microservices. Connect and manage communication between microservices. This architecture allows for independent deployment and scaling of services, enhancing flexibility and resilience. It's ideal for complex applications requiring frequent updates and high availability. Mobile apps, secure and scalable backend for mobile applications. Ensure data integrity and user privacy with robust security measures. Scale effortlessly to handle growing user bases and deliver seamless user experiences. IoT, connect and manage IoT devices and data. Enable real-time monitoring and control of smart devices. Optimize performance and energy efficiency through intelligent data, analytics, and automation. Partnerships. Easily share APIs with partners and integrate with external systems. Foster collaboration and innovation by providing seamless access to your services. Enhance business relationships and expand your ecosystem. Want to learn more? Visit the WSO2 website or try a free trial. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.